What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, just checked the mail, came inside. It was a little bit cold outside there today, so still trying to warm up a little bit. Anyway, if you're familiar with the channel or if you're new here, we talk comic books, video games, action figures, toys, a lot of cool collectibles like that. So in this particular video, it's probably going to be a short one, just another quick unboxing. I think it's going to be quick, but I got tomorrow's trash day, so I'm trying to go through some of my inventory, some of my things that I haven't opened yet. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a box. This particular one is from Amazon, and you know, Amazon's pretty cool for, you know, most of the time it's pretty cool. You can find a lot of good stuff there for pretty cheap. I've done some pre-orders on there though, and I feel like every time I do a pre-order, like a day or two before it's supposed to be delivered, on the date it's supposed to be released and shipped, I get a notification that, you know, your pre-order's been delayed, and it gives me a new date, usually 2 or 3 weeks out, and then 2 or 3 weeks later I get the same notification. So it goes on for like a good 2 months before I finally get my pre-order. I'm not sure if this was a pre-order. Like I said, I got a lot of things from Amazon and other companies that I've ordered from, and let's go ahead and see what's inside. It's like Christmas. Don't know what you're going to get. It could be one of 100 things that I wish for. Aha. Okay, so this is a deal. I ordered this a few months ago. Got this on Amazon. It's McFarlane Toys, DC Direct Black Adam. And it's the Jim Lee edition, and Jim Lee's like one of my favorite artists. Funny thing is, when I ordered this, I didn't think it was the 12-inch action figure, or the 12-inch figure. Thought it was one of the 6-inch or 7-inch ones, one of the smaller ones. So this is gonna be a little bit tricky trying to find a place to put this. And this is actually under $10, and that's with free shipping because I'm a Prime member, so I got free shipping. But you know, typically what I do, I'll usually order 2 of everything. One I can display, and then the other one I can open and kind of, you know, check it out and do some cool videos with that. And in this case, since it's so cheap, I only ordered one, and I figured I'd just go ahead and open the box. So I guess, yeah, I'll go ahead and do that right now. See if there's any tape. Sometimes there's tape on these guys, but no tape on this one. Oh, there is tape. It was hidden. Get my scissors out. I like McFarlane Toys. I think they make some good action figures. Well, some good action figures. Mostly do the Batman, some Spawn, and of course this one, Black Adam. Like I said, I'm gonna throw this away. I don't need the box. I'm just gonna throw it away. Lots of tape here. This thing is heavy. This is the cape. It weighs at least a pound. There's a stand in here. Let's start this up. There's the stand, Black Adam. Let's see. Scissors will help move this a little quicker. It's in there pretty good, that's for sure. But that made a lot of noise. What the heck is this little thing? Oh, didn't even see that. More tape, more tape. Alright, this out of the way. This looks like this. Goes like that, if you can see it. Alright. So I like the smaller figures. This one this doesn't move. You can't move the arms or legs. It's just, it's solid. Look at the sculpt, head sculpt there. Get a good look at it. See, it's got some good detail. It's got some dirty ears. Bald head. See that? Muscles. All right, let's put this cape on. It's 1 pound cape. Looks like it just snaps right on in there. Now the question is, oh, you know what? I think the cape goes on last. There's a spot on the back. I don't know if you can see it right there. Let's go into here. I'll scoot this up so you can see it a little better. There we go. And it kind of just floats around. Looks nice. Okay, if we're in there. Okay, check this out. I don't know, like the cape doesn't feel like it's all the way in, but I'll have to play around with it some more later, but there we go. Check that out. Black Adam. Available on Amazon, that's where I got it. Now the fun part, trying to figure out where to put it. Well, that's it for this video. So until next time, see ya.